Hey there! In this video, you'll learn how to upload a video to FastPix in two ways. First through the dashboard, and second through the API. By the end, you'll have a video encoded, ready to stream, and a playback ID you can drop into any player. Let's get started. Sign up at fastpix.com or log in if you already have an account. We'll begin with the dashboard. It's the fastest way to get a video live without writing a single line of code. You'll land right on the media page. And since this is your first video, FastPix greets you with a welcome screen. Let's add your first video or audio file. Drag and drop a file straight from your device, browse to pick one, or paste a video URL into the field below. FastPix supports just about every format you'd throw at it: MP4, MOV, WEBM, MKV, even audio formats like MP3 and WAV. Hit upload and you're off. FastPix takes it from there. Behind the scenes, your file goes through real-time encoding. So what does that actually mean? Encoding is the process of converting your raw video file into a streaming-ready format. We take your single uploaded file and produce multiple versions at different resolutions and bit rates, packaged as HLS. That's what unlocks adaptive streaming. Your viewers get the best quality their connection can handle on any device, anywhere in the world. No buffering, no quality drops, and no work from you. In seconds, your video is HLS ready and live on our global CDN. Every video gets a playback ID. That's a public link you can drop into any HTML5 video player to start streaming immediately. Building at scale? You'll want the API. Same super fast upload. Same encoding pipeline, fully automated. Go to Access Tokens and click Generate New Token. Name it, then pick your permissions. Give it video write access so it can upload. Copy your access token ID and secret key, or grab them as a .env file. From here, it's one API call. Send a post request to the on-demand endpoint with your access token and secret key. Hit enter. FastPix creates the media, returns a media ID, and kicks off encoding instantly. Refresh and there it is, ready to stream. Two ways to upload. One platform. Zero friction. Now, you've got your playback ID. The next step is getting that video onto a real page. We cover that in our next video. Embed the FastPix video and player on any web page. The link to that video, our guide for this topic, and our full API reference are below for further perusal. Go ahead, try it free at fastpix.com, and ship video faster today.